In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset OneDrive to fix OneDrive problems. If OneDrive is not syncing properly, won't open correctly, or seems stuck, resetting it can often solve the issue quickly. This process refreshes the OneDrive app without requiring a full reinstall, and it's one of the simplest troubleshooting steps you can try on a Windows computer. To begin, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Run dialog, which is a small window that lets you launch commands directly. If you've never used it before, don't worry. It's a normal built-in Windows tool, and it's very useful for quick fixes like this. Once the Run dialog appears, paste the correct OneDrive reset command into the text box. Make sure you paste the full command exactly as needed, because even a small mistake can prevent it from working. If you already have the command copied, simply click inside the box and paste it. If not, copy it first and then return to the Run window. This command tells Windows to reset the OneDrive application and clear temporary issues that may be causing sync problems or other glitches. After the command is in place, press Enter on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, the reset process should begin. In some cases, you may not see a big confirmation message, and that's completely normal. The process usually happens quietly in the background, so don't worry if nothing dramatic appears on screen right away. Now give it about 1 to 2 minutes. During this time, the OneDrive cloud icon should disappear and then reappear. That's a good sign because it usually means OneDrive is shutting down and starting back up with a fresh reset. Be patient and let it finish without interrupting it. If the icon comes back, OneDrive has most likely reset successfully and may begin syncing again on its own. Keep an eye on it for a moment to see whether your files start updating normally. This reset step is especially helpful for common OneDrive issues, and it's often enough to get things working again without more advanced troubleshooting. That's all you need to do. It's a short process, but it can make a big difference when OneDrive isn't behaving the way it should.